Hi everyone, welcome to AHCareerTalk YouTube channel. Foundation AI is hiring for the role of Associate Software Engineer in Hyderabad. This is a full-time entry-level position which is perfect for freshers or candidates with up to 1 year of experience. And coming to the company, Foundation AI is a AI-driven platform that helps automate document processing for legal and claims industries. The company works with hundreds of law firms and processes millions of documents every month using advanced AI technology. Coming to roles and responsibilities, as an associate software engineer, your main tasks will include writing clean and maintainable code, fixing bugs, and improving existing systems. And you will also participate in code reviews and testing. And you need to work with Git for version control and collaborating with cross functional teams. And you will be supporting CI CD and Agile development processes. Coming to skills required, to apply, you should have strong fundamentals in Python, basic knowledge of JavaScript and OOPS concepts, and understanding of REST APIs and databases. And you need to be familiar with Git as well. And bonus skills include Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, and CI CD tools. And coming to eligibility, you should be a fresher or up to 1 year of experience and BTech in computer science or related field. This role is ideal if you want hands-on experience and exposure to AI-driven systems and a fast-growing tech environment. Before you apply, a quick reminder. Don't fall for job scams. No genuine company will ask you to pay money for a job application, interview, or offer letter. If anyone asks for payment in the name of this job, it's a red flag. If you are serious about starting your software engineering career, this could be your chance. Please check the link in the description and apply now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more job updates like this.